Welcome back to Maths online class. Okay, I am your maths teacher, Mr. C.T. Barrett, and here we are going to discuss the chapter rational number for the class 8. Okay, and actually we are solving the practice exercises. Okay, in my first lecture, before that lecture, I have solved some few categories of the questions. Right now, see, again we have to solve these big questions. These are the very big questions. Okay. And generally such kind of the questions are asked in the board exam in 6 marks. This is the 6 marks question. So that's why I request you all to be very much careful while solving the question. Be concentrated, be focused. Try to learn the concept behind each and everything. Once you learn the concept, all the things are going to be very easier for you all. Right now, see. This is the question number 6. What is written? Verify. Verify means we have to verify this left hand side, it is equal to the right hand side. What is written in the left hand side? We have to solve and we have to verify both the answers going to be same. Left hand side, it is going to be right hand side. Look the question. Minus 2 upon 3 inside the bracket, minus 4 upon 5 plus minus 8 upon 15. And here on the right hand side, what is going to be? This is going to be multiplied with this. Minus 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 5. And after that plus sign plus. Again this is going to be multiplied with this. Minus 2 upon 3 into minus 8 upon 15. So actually what it shows this particular property. Solution here. Look, A. Suppose A is minus 2 upon 3. Bracket B plus C. Suppose this is the value of B. This is the value of C. Okay. So we know that this is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay. And this particular law, this is known as distributive property that I have explained to you in the theory portion. Distributive law of addition over multiplication. Distributive means बांटना, divide करना. Law of addition. Why it is said law of addition? क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्लस का साइन है. Distribute हो रहा है ये चीज. Yes. A into B and A into C. Distribute हो गया. Law of addition because plus sign is there. Distributive law of addition over multiplication. Okay, से रहा है multiply करके. One another rule is there. Wherever suppose here is a minus sign, so that particular law it is converted as distributive law of subtraction over multiplication. No problem. Plus and minus sign they may be changed. So if it is plus sign, so it is known as distributive law of addition, and if it is minus sign, so it is known as distributive law of subtraction. Very easy. Look here. How we have to do? So first I am going to take left hand side. First I am going to take left hand side. What is written in the left hand side? Minus 2 upon 3. Look here. First I am going to rub the things. That I am going to rub. Okay. Right now, what is the solution? Finally, we will take left hand side. This is our solution. We are considering left hand side. One more time, we will write down. Suppose this is the question. Look here. Don't be confused. Actually, this we have to prove. This is left hand side, this is right hand side. We are going first for the left hand side. One more time, I am going to write down the question. Directly we can't start. One more time, I have written the question. Okay? Yes. This we have to solve. So how to solve? See the thing. This thing is coming inside the bracket. And plus sign is there. So this thing, first we will remove the bracket. Minus 2 upon 3, no problem. And here into it is converted minus 4 same, but plus and minus they make minus. So minus sign will be here 8 upon 15. Okay, according to the Bode-Mohs law. First open the bracket, change the sign. I have changed the sign. Yes. Right now first again we will solve the bracket because bracket is not removed yet. अभी तक remove हुआ क्या bracket? No. What is there inside the bracket? This is showing the these both are the fractions and there is a two negative signs. Means this is the subtraction or addition of the negative integers. So how to solve? By the common denominator method. Means we have to unless denominator is not denominator is not equal to, we are not able to solve this particular thing. So see here, minus 2 upon 3, no problem, into, no problem. Either I can remove into sign from here also. Why? Because bracket itself shows the what? Multiplication. Either you will put into sign, either you remove the into sign. Both are same. Right now go for the LCM. What is the LCM of 15 and 5? Directly we can calculate 15. Because 15 comes in the table of 5 also. Right now in the minus 4, multiply with in the table of 5, how many times 15 come? 3 times. So 3 multiply with the numerator minus 4. Minus same, again 15 comes in the table of 15 one time. 1 multiply with 8. Okay. Same thing. Again minus 2 upon 3. Look here. Minus 2 upon 3, and after that again we have to solve this. Minus 4 3 ja minus 12, minus 8 1 ja minus 8. Okay, upon 15. All the things are very interesting. Look here, both are what? Negative integers. Negative integers means same category. Same category means we add them with their sign. 12 and 8, 20, minus 20, because both are negative integers, both are minus things. So minus 20 upon 15. Okay. Till here it is okay? Yes. Again we have to solve it. So very nice. No problem. Again see, minus 2 upon 3 into minus 20 upon 15. So both the minus and minus are going to be cancelled. Or you can say two negative sign make the positive sign, minus minus plus. So I can write down directly plus 2 upon 3 into 20 upon 15. Is it okay? Yes. Solve. This I can reduce by the table of 5. 5 3 ja, 5 4 ja. And after that I am getting 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 3. Either I can further solve? No. So direct multiply 2 4 ja 8, 3 3 ja 9. I am getting 8 upon 9 by solving the left hand side. Right now we have to solve this right hand side. Right hand side. Okay. Again I have to write down the things. Minus 2 upon 3 into minus 4 upon 5 plus minus 2 upon 3 into minus 8 upon 15. Here also you can put bracket, no problem. Solution very easy. This is what? First we will solve the multiply. Okay. So see here. Directly we can solve minus and minus. If we will multiply two negative integers, so it converted in form of the positive integer. Minus minus plus. So directly I can consider that it is going to be plus. 4 2 ja 8, 3 5 ja 15. Is it okay? Yes. Plus plus. Again there are continuously two negative integers. Minus 2 upon 3 into minus 8 upon 15. So again two negative integers are there, and if we are going to multiply them, again the answer will come in the positive form. So directly I can assume that these are making plus. So I will write down 8 2 ja 16 upon 15 3 ja 45. Is it okay? Yes. Right now you can see things are very much easy and clear B. Why not? Yes. I have to consider the LCM of the denominator because directly we can't add 15 and 45 LCM. What is the LCM of these two? Definitely 45. Yes, because in the table of 15, 45 also come. It is a common term which is coming in both the table and lowest digit, and that's why it is known as LCM. So 8 multiply with how many times in the table of 15? How many times 45 come? 3 times. That 3 we have to multiply here. Yes. Next thing, in the table of 45, how many times 45 come? 1 time. So that 1 we have to multiply with 16. Okay. Right now I am going a bit faster. 8 3 are 24 plus 16 1 are 16 upon 45 equal to addition of both at 6 4 10 2 1 3 carry 1 4 40 upon 45. Okay. Either you can simplify it. Yes. In the table of 5 8 ja 5 9 ja 8 upon 9. Right now see, in the left hand side what we have received 8 upon 9. In the right hand side what we are receiving right now again 8 upon 9. Same. Yes. Means we can write down left hand side is equal to right hand side, and if it is both are equal to each other we can say hence proof. In this way we have proved that both are equal to each other. Things are little lengthy, no problem, but concept should be very much clear so that you can solve the question nicely. Okay? Practice so many other questions which are given at your book, and this is little difficult question. So practice more and more. One more question I am going to solve in front of you. See, B. So I am running it. Okay. Look. What is the B question? Look here. This is the B question. Again, it is the verify. Question is saying verify. I think it was the question number 6. No problem if it is 6 or 7. Note this. This is the B question of verify. Look again. This is the left hand side. This is the right hand side. So this time I am solving both together. No problem. Things depends upon you. Either you are solving left hand side separately, right hand side separately. Otherwise, if the space is there, question is not very much lengthy. Directly we can solve both the sides. Why not? See here. This is the left hand side and it is showing the into. Means tension is not there. Need not to go for the LCM, because when we take LCM, if minus sign will be there in between the fraction, if plus sign is there in between the fraction. Okay. So this is the into, directly solve. Minus 1 minus sign, 1 minus sign, minus plus. Directly we can assume minus they are making plus. So directly I can write down 5 upon 8 into 4 upon 15 into 3 upon 4. Is it okay? Yes. Why? Minus plus. And I have opened the bracket. Same like that. Okay. Right hand side, come to the right hand side. Same thing is there. Yes. Minus plus. So I am removing minus sign into 4 upon 15 into 3 upon 4. Okay. Yes. Solve. If we will solve, so that 4 and 4 cut. 4 and 4 cut. We are knowing that both will give me the same answer. That we can understand from here. This particular law, it is known as commutative law. This law is known as commutative law. Sorry. This is known as commutative law of multiplication. And according to that rule, this is known as associative law. into C, that we have studied in the associative law of multiplication. If the brackets they are changing the position but things are remaining same, and this is valid for the addition also, this is valid for the multiplication also, that we are going. Yes, so I am right now rubbing this. Look, 4 and 4 cancel, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. Okay, right now this 3 cancel, 3 cancel. What are the things remaining here? 1 upon 8. What are the things remaining here? Only 1 upon 8. See here again, 4 cancel, 3 1 ja 3, sorry, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. Same is there, and after that 3 and 3 going to be cancelled. What is there in the numerator? Only 1. What is remaining in the denominator? Only 8. 1 upon 8, and it is the same duplicate. No need to explain this. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Okay. One more question is there. Look, question number next. Verify associative property. Verify associative property. What are the things given? A is equal to 4 upon 9, B is equal to 5 upon 6, C is equal to 12 upon 15. Now right now see what is the associative law. For example, verify the associative property. For example, we are taking this A plus B plus C. We are considering the addition case. So A plus B plus C should be equal to A plus B plus C. This is the thing. This is known as the associative law. Yes. Meaning is that we have to change the position of brackets. Here the bracket is coming in between B and C. Here the bracket is coming in between A and B. This is the associative law of addition. Associative law of addition. Okay. In bracket you can write down. Right now we have to fill the values. What is A? 4 upon 9 plus what is B and C? 5 upon 6 plus 12 upon 15, same, is equal to, again I am filling the values of A, B and C. You can see I am going to be little faster. You can understand, I can believe. Bracket is only, we are just changing the position of the brackets. Only concentrate here. And I am going to solve both the sides together. No problem. If you are not comfortable for this, if the question is little lengthy for you, you can take left hand side separately also, right hand side separately also. But we are right now solving both the things together. Why? Because both the things are same. Same operation we have to do here, same operation we have to do here. Only copy, paste, copy, paste. Look, we have to solve the bracket first. Is it okay? Yes. 4 upon 9, same. This bracket we have to solve. What is the operation in between them? Addition. Either we can add them directly. No. Until unless denominator is not equal, we can't add them. How we can make the denominator equal? By taking the LCM, lowest common multiple. What is the LCM of denominator 6 and 15? That we have to think. So I am giving you the direct trick. Read the table of 15. Which is the biggest denominator? 15. Read the table of 15. Either 15 comes in the table of 6? No. Read the next table. 15 2 ja 30. Either this 30 comes in the table of 6? Yes. So directly this is going to be the LCM. No need to go for that 6 and 15. Directly 30 will be the LCM, that you can check by this method. Right now see, in the table of 6, how many times 30 come? 5 times. So that 5 I have to multiply with 5 means numerator. Again in the table of 15, how many times that 30 comes? 2 times. So that 2 I have to multiply with 12. Alright, now here paste. This is the copy, this is the paste. Not, I don't think copy paste will be there because the things are little changed. 9 and 6 is the denominator. What is the common LCM? Again I am going to read the table of 9. Either 9 comes in the table of 6? No. What is 9 next table? 9 to ja 18. Either this 18 comes in the table of 6 also? Yes. How many times? 3 times. So that 18 is going to be the LCM. So in the table of 9, how many times 18 come? 2 times. Multiply 2 with the numerator 4 plus. In the table of 6, how many times 18 come? 3. That 3 multiply with numerator, that is 5. Plus 12 upon 15, same. Right now I am going to be little faster for you. Look, 4 upon 9 plus 5 5 ja 25 plus 12 2 ja 24 upon 30. Here you can see 4 2 ja 8 plus 5 3 ja 15 upon 18 plus 12 upon 15. Is it okay? No problem. Again 4 upon 9 plus addition 25 double 50. 24 means 49. Directly I can add. Here 15 added 23 upon 18 plus 12 upon 15. Little fast we are going, no problem, that you can do. Okay, be faster. 13 and 9 again LCM. Either this 30 comes in the table of 9? No. Read the table of 30. 32 ja 60. 32 ja 60. 33 ja 90. So that 90 will be the LCM. It is okay? Yes. In the table of 9, how many times 90 comes? 10 times. Multiply with 4. 13 3 ja 90. Multiply with 49. Again here 18 and 15. What is the LCM? So 18 2 ja 36. 18 3 ja 54. 18 4 ja 72. 18 5 ja 90. It is also coming in the table of 15. So directly I can do this. But if you are going to be confused, that you can do, again you will get the 90 only. Okay, that you can do. 18 5 ja 15. 90, sorry. 18 5 ja 90. So 5 multiplication with the numerator. 15 6 ja 90. 6 multiply with the numerator. 10 4 ja 40 plus 49 into 3, no problem. 3 9 ja 27, 2 carry, 3 4 ja 12 plus 2 14 upon 90 is equal to 5 3 ja 15, carry 1, 5 2 ja 10 1 11, 12 6 ja 72 upon 90. This you add 0 and 7, 7 4 4 8, 187 upon 90. Here 5 2 7, 7 1 8 1 1. You can see this is left hand side is equal to right hand side. Both are same to same. Yes. Directly you can write down as proof. So here I am going to finish my lecture. Till then, thank you so much. One more video if I will take, we will solve some more category question. All the best. Thank you.